Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to enable Google Lens feature if you have it disabled by going to settings, then to AI settings, and enable Google Lens here, just in case if you have disabled it for some reason. So just tap on it, then tap open camera while using the app, allow, and now just find this QR code, and as you can see it immediately suggests to open the page which is being encoded to this QR code. And yeah, that's how you can easily scan it and see what's being encoded here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.